If you love that Herby, savory bruschetta flavor, this one is going to surprise you. This bruschetta seasoning mix is simple and honestly better than anything you can pick up from the store, coming together in minutes with pantry staples. Get the full recipe from the description below. Into a bowl, add 1½ teaspoons of dried basil, 1½ teaspoons of dried oregano, and 1½ teaspoons of dried parsley for that fresh, herby base. Then mix in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder to build a light savory depth. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes for a gentle kick. Follow that with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. And finish with 1 teaspoon of tomato powder to bring in that signature bruschetta touch. Mix everything well until the blend is evenly combined and looks consistent throughout. If you're into simple mixes like this, go ahead and like this video and share it with someone who loves easy flavor upgrades. And for more recipes like this, subscribe to SpiceRally and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. And your bruschetta seasoning mix is ready, fresh, herby, and full of flavor. This makes about 3½ tablespoons, perfect to sprinkle over toasted bread with a little olive oil or mix it into dips for an easy flavor boost. Leftover seasoning can be stored in an airtight spice shaker in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. Try this once, and you'll see how easily it replaces store-bought versions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more flavorful and easy recipes like this.